Science of Mohammed V University organized the first workshop of Africa BP Open Institute of Bioinformatics and Genomics in North Africa. So this project has as a title, a significant title, Biodiversity or North Africa in the Age of Genomic Biodiversity. So this workshop gathered many scientists throughout all the African continent. Those scientists are specialists in genetics, genomics, bioinformatics, and it gathered also many sponsors, mainly sponsors of machine sequencing, including Illumina, Thermo Fisher, PacBio, and others. All those stakeholders are gathered here in Mohammed V University to speak about the future of biodiversity in Africa and specifically in North Africa. But what interests us more is what will come after this workshop. In fact, we are planning to have a center of excellence of genomics and biodiversity here in North Africa, especially in Morocco. This center of excellence will gather all the material and the machines of sequencing and bioinformatic analysis and try to have a mass and the power here, so to work for the North Africa and all Africa generally.